What's up, guys? So that's the command to install sarg. I assume you already have a squid, okay? So you have to change something to the sarg.conf. If you don't know where it is, it's in the etc. It's in the etc and then sarg directory. You have to change the squid log, access log, and then the path of the font if it's not, because that's see, I'm in root mode, so you can edit GUI. Okay, this is how you command the file manager. So sudo pcm, okay, so you can edit easily. And then what I change here is the font and the access log of the squid. I think it's the same, the access log. Anyway, if it's not seen, you have to change it. But so far only the font that the sarg did not see after installing it. Okay, and then you have to run it each time you want to update the report. So sarg x, so see, you should have no errors. If all is done, you can access it to your browser, the reports. See, jobs date and IP address. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe naman dyan.